Okay, welcome everybody. We're going to take a look at the feeder cattle GF /GF. That's the symbol for the feeder cattle. And these are the January 2022 contracts. Right now, today, just before the market closes here, it's trading at 159 and 95 cents. We're looking at the daily chart here. You can tell that on the feeder cattle, for those who don't know the difference between live cattle and feeder cattle is going to be a young animal that's between about 6 and 10 months old, somewhere in that area, and they're sent to the feedlots, and basically they're fattened up. I believe, if I remember correctly, most of them are being fattened up on primarily corn. Okay, it doesn't really matter, but it does affect, the corn prices do affect the cattle prices. There's a little bit of a relationship there. But in any case, if you want to know the difference between feeder cattle and live cattle, well, now you know. Okay, so the feeder cattle, the young cattle, they're trading right along this 50-day moving average. And you can see the price hasn't moved away very much from that. It keeps returning to it. Okay, the 50-day moving average is about 157 and 92 cents. So it's come down just a little bit because it was 158, I think, on Friday. So it's come down a little bit. Right now, today, it's traded above the 50-day moving average. But just keep in mind, I talked about this in the live cattle futures video. If you haven't seen that, okay, look in the description. I'll put the live cattle futures video in there. You can click on the link and go watch it. Okay, but prices tend to gravitate back towards the 50. Okay, so you can see right here a lot of back and forth. Comes down, comes back up, touches it. It's kind of acting like resistance here. Came back up, touched it again, resistance came up. We have a little bit of a breakthrough above the 50. We're going to see if this is sustainable, okay? Usually this time of year, guys, going into autumn, okay, autumn and winter, you'll see that the prices just kind of stall, and you might see a little of this going on, and the prices just kind of stay on that 50. That's probably what's going to happen. Of course, you never know in this environment with a lot of crazy things going on in the world, but that's what I'm thinking is going to happen here. Today was kind of a very small day. The range was pretty small. you're talking about 1.5, a little more than 1.5 points. So 157, that's really small compared to something like just 4 days ago, which had a range of 4 3/8. So of course you're going to get these small days. It happens. Okay, let's take a look at the really big picture. Let's look at the monthly and just see what we got going on here. It's actually a fairly positive sign. Prices came up from the beginning of 2021, got pretty high here into the month of August. As I said earlier in the live cattle futures video, August is obviously usually a very good month for prices for cattle. It's come back down since then through September, but I'm seeing a little something here, a little turnaround. Maybe we'll see if it's sustainable. There are some diversion signals going on here, which suggest that price would decline. Okay, just looking at this right here, we did get a divergence. Of course, this month has just gotten started, so not sure I'm going to make a big deal of that right yet, but we'll definitely keep an eye on that. A small indication of possible divergence. So what do I mean by divergence? So that means the indicator's going down. The indicators are going down, but price is going up, right? Usually when that happens, prices will begin to turn over and follow the indicators, okay? So just keep that in mind. We're getting a little bit of a divergence going on here. And again, as I said in the live cattle futures, usually prices tend to gravitate back towards the 50, even on the monthly. Okay, let's take a look at the weekly, which a lot of times can give us a lot better read for what's going on. Pretty good here, guys. Up, touch as support, came up, touch as support, came up, broke through support, but didn't really rally very good back there in April and May. Again, kind of seasonal stuff. Yeah, really good in the third week of August, very popular month. Came all the way back down, touched here to the 50, found some support there just here last week, November 1st. And now rallied up kind of, pretty decent. Up to where we're at now, 159.85. Got some hot trading going on just before the market closes here. Let's see, what time is it right now? It's 1 minute to closing, so there's some hot trading going on. You can see at 1 minute before closing, some anxious traders getting in literally the last minute worth of trading right here in this video. Watching them do their thing here. So that's kind of good. Prices actually moving up. Just here at the close, prices are moving up a whole dollar. Let's see what's going on here. It's very interesting. So there's what's going on in your trading in the feeder cattle. You can see the action right here going on. Okay. Nice. So, you know, I think prices, I'm seeing some a little bit of elevation. Looks like there's a little bit more room to go here. So prices may go up a little bit more here still. Maybe just a little bit more. We'll see where it goes on the feeder cattle. But I think at some point it is going to roll over and come back and meet this 50. But there may be some upward pricing yet to go. So, you know, who knows? Maybe 165, 170, guys, could happen. Maybe get up into there before it rolls over and comes back and touches somewhere down in this area. We'll see what happens. Okay, guys and gals, that's it for the feeder cattle futures review for today, November 8th. Listen, guys, I got a membership. Look down below. It's $5.95 a month, guys. One trade is going to easily cover the $5.95, okay? I'll put out a video once or twice a month, maybe more, but at least once or twice a month I'll put out a video, okay? Basically, guys, it's a paper trade. Whatever you do with that paper trade is up to you, okay? I don't give financial advice, okay? Make your own decision about trading, but usually these videos I'm going to put out do pretty well in paper trades, so do what you will with them. Okay, again, I don't give financial advice. They're just going to be videos. These videos are going to be for members only, guys. Okay, $5.95 is a really good price, guys. I don't think I'm going to hold it there forever. I'm probably going to raise the price as this is an introductory premium membership that I'm just putting out for a short term here. So take advantage of it while you can, guys. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, guys. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate that. And click that little bell to be notified of all videos as I put them out. Talk to you all real soon again next time.